Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today, I want to continue to encourage you guys to get out there and enjoy your Corvette. Well, how are you going to do that? By driving the Corvette. I want you to elevate that experience by taking your Corvette on track. Now, before you just go on track, participate in those local events, those autocross events with the cones in the parking lot. They're timed. The camaraderie with the other drivers is fantastic, and don't stop doing those because they are so much fun. But before you go on track, do the program here in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the NCM Motorsports Park. It's an intro to tracking. It's called the Corvette Experience. You use their cars. You get 3 classroom sessions so you understand what you're supposed to do out there, and you continue to get better after each driving session. You get 3 driving sessions as part of the Corvette Experience at the NCM Motorsports Park. You also get a voucher for a complimentary lunch at the Stingray Grill here at the National Corvette Museum. You know, I've said it before, if we stop learning, we stop living. And whether you ever take your car or not back on track, nobody can ever take away this experience that you'll have at the NCM Motorsports Park. It's the Corvette Experience, today on Coffee with Conti. All right, so we're getting ready for first session. You're going to drive 3 times on the track. There'll be 3 classroom sessions. The car I got is the NCM Motorsports Park themed one. Goes perfect with the shirt. Let's have some fun, guys. It was funny when we go back into pit after session, Natalie would ask, "I'm sorry, how many times out there did you want to pass me?" And I said, basically at every turn. Yeah, I said, don't worry about it. You're out here, you're doing this. I think it's fantastic. All right, guys, like I said, this is intro to tracking. Here's Natalie, originally from Michigan, here in Kentucky. Was that your first time on track?
Yes, and in a Corvette.
Yeah, you did great.
Thank you.
How did you hear about this experience?
My husband was here for one of the motorcycle classes, and he decided to gift me this for my future car.
Oh, what a nice gift.
It was a very nice gift, yes.
I was right behind you.
Okay.
At first, I understand for the first time being out being nervous, but you actually started progressively getting better.
Oh, good.
Just wait till
Thanks.
your second and third sessions.
I
You'll
know,
be tearing
I
it
can't
up.
wait.
You'll be doing great. How did you feel out there?
Really comfortable.
Okay.
I liked being able to get acclimated the first time around, but after that, getting used to the brakes and the gas and building a little trust with the car, I was ready to go.
Well, the one thing about C8 Corvette, you feel like you're accelerating, and you'll look back at your footage and you'll see the green lines only like halfway.
Oh, I believe it.
Don't be afraid to put it down.
Oh, I'm good. Let's go. Next one.
Oh, I love it. Fantastic. I'm glad you're here. Thanks for talking with us.
Thank you.
All right, man. So, first track session of the day. Is it the first one ever for you? Have you ever done this?
Yeah, dude, it's the first one ever.
You've never done this before?
No, never, man.
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Vince Gaetani.
All right, nice to meet you, man. So,
Nice
what'd
to
you
meet
think
you.
so far of the Corvette Experience
Dude,
here?
it was awesome. I can't stop smiling, man.
Yeah. How do you feel out there?
Oh, dude, it's the adrenaline. Oh, man.
Yeah. Well, you got 2 more sessions, so don't fly to the moon just yet. I just heard you say, "Wow." So, what's that all about?
This car is amazing. Wherever you point it, that's where it goes.
Yeah.
On a corner, straightaway, it doesn't matter. It's wow.
First time ever driving the C8?
The C8, yes.
Wow.
I had a C6. It's not even.
It really is something.
Wrong car for that.
Right. No, I'm glad you're out here doing this.
It sticks. Oh my God.
What's your name?
Phil.
And where are you from?
Wisconsin.
Oh, welcome.
Well, I'll be back.
What do you guys think of it so far?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Huge adrenaline rush.
You ever do anything like this before?
Once in Arizona.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago.
Right.
It was so worth it. It was awesome.
Where are you guys from?
Indiana.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
Man, we're having some fun on today's Coffee with Conti. Thanks for joining us right here at the NCM Motorsports Park. What we go through to get these shots, right? I love it. There's Cole waiting in the weeds to get pictures of you guys. As we're set up for the shot, you can see in the background, guys, that is the Corvette assembly plant. Way to go, Cole. Got to get another battery for another GoPro. Look who's here. This is Joe. Just ordered a Z06 and took the time to come over here today, see some of the experience, and he's going to go. You're going to tour the museum though before you go, right?
I am now,
okay, so do that.
I was standing up there watching you guys go around the track.
Yes.
When you're done, my heart is pumping. That was crazy.
Just wait till you get your Z06.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
I'm anxious.
It's good to meet you. I appreciate the business, and I'm glad that you're experiencing this, which is really part of the Corvette ownership. You know, coming to the track, going to the National Corvette Museum across the street over there.
Yeah.
You know,
I'm heading over there now.
Yeah.
When you're done, I'll meet you over there.
All right, fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah, it's almost time for lunch. From Michigan, it's John and Rain. They follow us on social media. Oh, yeah. And she's going to drive. So we got another lady that's going to drive today. Have you ever driven on track?
Yes.
You have? Okay, so good for you. You're back for some more.
Absolutely.
Oh, you're in for quite an experience in the C8.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Rain, for following us, and thanks for being here today. I appreciate it.
Thanks for inviting.
All right, pay attention, John. You might learn something today.
Always a pleasure. never stop learning.
Yeah, fantastic. You stop living if you stop learning. That's what we talk about. That's right, man. Wonderful to see you guys. Thanks for watching today's Coffee with Conti. It's the Corvette Experience at the NCM Motorsports Park. So, what's your name, man?
I'm Tim.
Where are you from?
Nashville.
Nashville. Okay, great. What brought you up here today?
Oh, my brothers are members up here. They drive around a lot.
Yeah.
And they wanted to give me this experience too because I like Corvettes. So
Yeah, you were in a pretty fast class today. What do you think of this experience?
Oh, it's a lot of fun.
First time ever on track?
I've been on a track once before.
Okay.
This track, but it wasn't the full course.
Gotcha.
So it was really fun to see the whole thing this time.
Yeah.
Have a lot of experiences with sinkhole now.
Yeah.
So trying to figure that one out.
No, they did a good job helping you in the class as you brake, you go back out, and come in, and go back out. So I think by the end you probably felt pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. And like in the in-between sessions, they would, I'd say like, hey, I had trouble with this corner, and they'd give me some pointers, and I could use that on the next session.
tell you guys, I'm excited to see the ladies out here participating in this track event. Let's touch base with Natalie again. I think she's feeling just a little bit more comfortable. That makes it more fun. So Natalie, one more time.
Yeah.
Again, I'm excited to see women out here doing this, and I love your passion already for Corvette. It's not about speed, it's really about the experience. So what do you got to say about everything you did today?
It was an amazing experience. Just learning about the car, feeling the car, participating on the track, not just once, but 3 times, and
Yes.
getting the feedback. It was just amazing all around. It was a great experience.
Was anything they talked about in the class help you when you went
A
back on
lot.
track?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Yep,
good.
the braking, the handling, learning the track, learning different parts of the track, when to accelerate, when to brake.
Right.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Oh, wonderful. Nice job.
Thanks.
All right, instructor, how did she do for her first time, man?
Fantastic.
Thank you.
She got her confidence and she just increased the speeds and the fun came with it. So
She started getting smoother too.
yeah, you can tell.
Yeah,
A little
absolutely.
less input, less jerky, just smooth as fast. So
Yeah.
you figured it out. You did great.
Thank you.
Nice
Very
job, man.
impressed.
Yeah. Wow, man. It's the culture within the Corvette culture that we experienced today on Coffee with Conti. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to the staff and management at the NCM Motorsports Park that allowed me not only to participate, but to share reactions from so many people that did this program today. They've got so many packages here. You could drive their car or you can drive your car on the track right here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Check out the website up on the screen right now. And trying to find, even talking with a lot of folks at the track today, trying to find one word that describes this experience and how you feel on track behind the wheel of a Corvette. It's hard, man. I mean, thrilling, exhilarating, fun, a little nervous, but exciting. And guess what? They came back and wanted more. Just love that. Oh my gosh. And whether you ever do it again or not, if you do it at least once, I think it's something you have to do at least once. Drive Corvette on the track and really learn to appreciate and respect not only the art of driving, but respect and know your car, know yourself just a little bit better. Oh boy, no, I don't want to go. I do again appreciate you guys watching, engaging, making comments down below, supporting our channel by subscribing. It's everything and anything involved with Corvette you'll find on this channel. I heard about Helen. Doesn't that sound great? And you know what? It feels even better when you're behind the wheel and you're out here on the track. And don't forget, when you are here at the NCM Motorsports Park, across the street, right on cue, oh baby. Across the street is the National Corvette Museum, and over this way is Bowling Green Assembly. Tour the factory, tour the Corvette Museum. This is a destination. This is a way of life. Guys, guess where I am? On the way home, I had to stop here. If you remember, wow, I can't believe, you remember the story when I was coming back from my tracking experience that we're yet to share on the channel from the NCM. I was at Cracker, where's the sign? It's around here somewhere. Oh, there it is, Cracker Barrel. This is the double curb that I drove over. And I went at an angle here and went over here and hit the second one, and I almost can see faint tire marks right there. That's probably from me. I still can't believe I drove over this darn thing and I didn't crack the front end. I can't believe I drove over this thing. And at the time it happened, it was so loud and everything scraping underneath the car. I didn't turn the camera on to capture some of that content. Usually I'm a content-focused guy, but I was pretty upset. and I just wanted to go home in one piece, and I was worried that I wasn't able to do that. So on the way home from this recent event at the NCM Motorsports Park, I had to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching.